If you work in AutoCAD and want to organize your drawing more efficiently, one of the most useful things you can learn is how to change layer properties. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to update a layer's color, line type, line weight, and visibility settings so your entire drawing stays clean, consistent, and easy to manage. This is a quick skill, but it can save you a lot of time on every project. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. Once your file is open, look at the command line at the bottom of the screen, type LA and press Enter. This is the shortcut that opens the Layer Properties Manager, which is where you can view and edit all of your layers in one place. When the Layer Properties Manager appears, you'll see a list of layers in your drawing. Take a moment to find the layer you want to modify. If you have a lot of layers, you can scroll through the list or use the layers filters to narrow things down. Select the layer you want to change so you can start editing its properties. Now, let's go through the most important settings one by one. If you want to change the layer color, click on the color box for that layer. AutoCAD will open a color selection window where you can choose a new color. Pick the one you want and confirm it. Changing the layer color is helpful when you want to visually separate different parts of your drawing, like walls, dimensions, center lines, or annotations. Next, if you want to change the line style, click on Linetype. This lets you choose how the lines on that layer will appear, such as continuous, dashed, hidden, or other available styles. Select the line type that best fits your drawing standards and click OK to apply it. This is especially useful for technical drawings where different line patterns communicate different meanings. After that, you can adjust the thickness of the lines by clicking Line Weight. This controls how bold or thin objects on that layer will appear when plotted or displayed. Choose the line weight that works best for your project, then apply the change. This can make a huge difference in how readable your drawing looks, especially in detailed plans. You can also control whether the layer is visible or not. Use the on or off option if you want to temporarily hide that layer without deleting anything. If you need to completely stop a layer from displaying and regenerating it, you can freeze it. If you want to keep the layer visible but prevent accidental edits, use lock. Locking is very useful when you want to protect important geometry while still keeping it on screen. Take your time and adjust each property as needed. The nice thing about layer management in AutoCAD is that once you make a change, every object on that layer updates automatically. That means you do not have to edit each line, block, or shape individually. The layer controls everything assigned to it, which makes it one of the fastest ways to update a drawing. Once you finish making your changes, simply close the Layer Properties Manager. Your updates are now applied, and all objects on that layer will reflect the new settings right away. So that's how to change layer properties in AutoCAD. You can now update colors, line styles, thickness, and visibility settings with confidence and keep your drawings much more organized. If this helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.